By default, Windows 10 comes with the Microsoft Edge browser, which allows you to access the internet. I do recommend you consider trying Google Chrome as well. I personally find it much easier to use, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So put the pointer onto the Microsoft Edge browser icon down the bottom and left click once onto it. And once your search engine appears, type in Google Chrome. Click on Download Now. Click on Download Chrome. The download has started down here. What we'll do is we'll click on the three dots and we'll click on Open. If for any reason it doesn't appear to be downloading, click on Download Chrome again, and that should get the process going for you. Once you see the Google Chrome's coloured symbol down the bottom on your taskbar and also on your desktop over here, you know that the download has been successful. At this point you can close down your browser and you can launch Google Chrome by clicking onto it.